Guys, if you are looking to delete your all the YouTube community garbage type post by just one click, it's an imaginary thing right now, because YouTube still doesn't provide any feature that deleted your all the posts, community posts. Basically, I'm talking about community posts by just one click. It's the imaginary thing. YouTube still doesn't provide any feature. So that is the reason I made a script for you guys that delete your all the YouTube community post recursively, one by one. Recursively means one by one. Before going into the tutorial hell, I would like to warn you, this script is simple, powerful and dangerous. It's too simple, even you can make it yourself. Why it is so dangerous? Because it deleted your all the posts permanently. You wouldn't be able to recover them once you delete. So here we are over my screen now. You can see that how this particular script looks like. You can access it directly from my GitHub account. Just go to the link in the description below this video and click on it, and it will take you to my GitHub account. There you find all the instructions clearly written how to use the script. But don't worry guys, I also guide you through this video how you can use the script efficiently. You don't need to worry about that. You just stick to the video till to the end. To use the script, first you have to copy the script from here and then open your YouTube studio and make sure you are logged into your channel whose community post you want to delete. Otherwise, you mistakenly delete something else that you don't want to delete. Maybe. Once you are over here, you have to open your developers tool, and according to your machine, you can find over the internet how you can open it. In the developers tool, you have to switch to the console tab, and here we have to paste that script what I copied earlier and hit the enter guys. That's all. The script will start running and begin deleting all your community posts one by one, deleting recursively. And guys, the good thing with this script is you can minimize your browser and do your other works. The script will keep running in the background. Once all the posts are deleted, it stops automatically. That's the good thing with the script. The script is super simple and very powerful. Use it responsibly guys. That's the end of the video, and I would like to tell you one thing also guys. If you are a coding enthusiast now, think in mind how you can improve this script. That's a small piece of work I give to you.